So we're gonna be talking about Money 101. The first thing we're gonna be talking about is debit cards. They share some of the same features as credit cards, but they have a few key differences. They're not backed by a loan from a bank. They're a good way of keeping track of your spending. When you're using a debit card, you got to sign so that it gives it liability protection. And good things to remember is to look for the Visa symbol to recognize that it is a debit card. And the ATM cards will not have a logo. After that is understanding credit. Things in your credit score payment, track your record, the amount of debt owed, and how long you use a credit card and how often you've applied your credit card, as well as the types of credit that you currently use. Credit score is a single number that determines how likely you are to repay your debt. Your credit score can fluctuate either up or down depending on how responsible you are with it. You should always check your credit score regularly. And then the last thing is a savings account. So a savings account is more long-term and it should grow steadily over time if you're doing it right. Typically, you can earn compound interest when you're dealing with a savings account. You could also apply the rule of 72, which is how long it'll be for your money to double. So say you have 6% interest, 72 divided by 6 is going to be about 12 years for your account to double.
Credit determines whether you are responsible or not. Having a credit card means that you borrow money and have to pay it back. And if you don't make the payment on time, you get charged a fee, plus your credit score will go down. So you want to make sure that you make the payments on time so that your credit score doesn't go down and so you don't get charged a fee. For a checking account, you can access them in multiple places such as checks, ATMs, debit cards, banks, and online banking. Checking is where most of your money is saved, where you can write checks, send money, or receive money. And at the end of every month or so, you get a statement, and you want to make sure you check the statement just in case the bank charges you an unnecessary charge for some reason. And always keep a copy of your finances, so you can know what you spend, what you have, and what you need. For online banking, it's easier than going to a bank. You can easily just pull out your phone and check out, see what your balance is. You can pay bills through your phone, transfer money, send money to other people in 2 minutes. It saves paper, saves stamps, and overall, it just helps you keep all your banking and your finances organized, and it's easier.